Well, in Girl Scouting, we believe that we want every girl to experience the opportunity to be a leader. My take on that has been to find ways that we can especially target communities that don't necessarily always have those opportunities. And now for 13 years we have had a conference where we reach out to young Latinas with the message of empowerment, the message of hope, and the message of courage, which is what I think all girls need to succeed. When I started Encuentro de Chicas Latinas 13 years ago, it was very much to try to figure out a way that we could translate the experiences of successful women in our community to girls that were coming up who could benefit from the opportunity to see that even adult women have had moments of vulnerability, have had moments of failure, and even through all of that, they have still succeeded. We started Your Turn to Lead as an opportunity to reach out to girls, girls of color, with this message of empowerment, again bringing mentors. African American girls in the District of Columbia and all over the region have issues of trying to figure out how to connect with women that could potentially offer them internships, mentorship, career advice, college opportunities. And so similar to the Encuentro conference, we did the same kind of conference to reach out to African American girls. I try in every interaction that I have with girls, with our incredible volunteers, with the amazing staff here at the Girl Scout Council to ensure that we're always lifting people up. It is through that lifting people up and being an authentic listener that we are able to sort of change things for the better.